Oil filling machines. Depending on the type of oil, filling machines must be able to handle the product's specific viscosity level. Oils can vary in viscosity, which is why you need to find the right oil filling machinery that can work with your product. Steplead PacTek Machinery offers oil filling equipment that can handle number 4 fuel oil, vegetable oil, sea oils, and other types of oil products. To complement your liquid filling machinery, we also offer other types of liquid packaging machines including cappers and labelers. Install a complete oil filling system. All of the liquid filling machines we offer can fill liquid products ranging from low to high viscosity. Different oils have varying levels of viscosity, and we can help determine which of our machines will work best with your particular product. We have a selection of overflow fillers, gravity fillers, pump fillers, piston fillers, netway fillers, and more. This equipment can help increase the longevity of your production line and improve efficiency. To help ensure your product receives high-quality packaging from beginning to end, we also offer other liquid packaging machines. You can purchase a capping machine to apply caps that prevent product leakage and contamination, and labelers that apply customized paper, mylar, or clear labels to product containers. Fixed or portable conveyors can also improve your production line through efficient transferring of product containers between stations. With a complete liquid product packaging machine using our equipment, you can see the long-term results you want from your production line. Customize your entire production line. Steplead PacTek Machinery offers plenty of customization options for oil filling machines, with different sizes and setups available to effectively handle different oil products. We can also help you design a custom configuration of liquid packaging machinery in your facility, with designs based on space requirements and other factors. You'll benefit from an oil filling system that's specifically designed to meet your application's needs. If you want to start designing your custom oil filling system today, Steplead PacTek Machinery can help you immediately. We'll help you with equipment selection, system design, and installation. We can also provide other services to help make your production line as effective as it can be, including field service, leasing, and high-speed camera services to help with operator training and mechanical improvement.